Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English shadowing practice. In today's lesson, we're going to practice 12 useful English sentences through a simple real-life routine. Each sentence will be repeated 3 times to help you improve your listening, pronunciation, and speaking skills. Just listen carefully. And if you'd like, you can shadow along with me. Don't worry if you can't say everything perfectly the first time. Just keep practicing. A little every day. And you'll become more confident in English. So, let's begin. I woke up early this morning. I woke up early this morning. I woke up early this morning. I got ready and had my breakfast. I got ready and had my breakfast. I got ready and had my breakfast. Today, I am going to travel by train. Today, I am going to travel by train. Today, I am going to travel by train. I arrived at the train station on time. I arrived at the train station on time. I arrived at the train station on time. I bought my train ticket. I bought my train ticket. I bought my train ticket. My train is arriving at the platform. My train is arriving at the platform. My train is arriving at the platform. I got on the train and found my seat. I got on the train and found my seat. I got on the train and found my seat. The journey is comfortable and relaxing. The journey is comfortable and relaxing. The journey is comfortable and relaxing. I enjoyed the beautiful view from the window. I enjoyed the beautiful view from the window. I enjoyed the beautiful view from the window. The train is arriving at my destination. The train is arriving at my destination. The train is arriving at my destination. I got off the train safely. I got off the train safely. I got off the train safely. I had a wonderful trip today. I had a wonderful trip today. I had a wonderful trip today. Congratulations! You have successfully completed all 12 English shadowing sentences. Great job! Keep practicing every day. And your English speaking, pronunciation, and confidence will improve little by little. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and subscribe for more daily English shadowing practice. Thank you for practicing with me. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.